right, guys, when we last did this, mistakes were made. It happens. We're just gonna roll with it and keep going. So we got this sanded and blended. We're gonna continue scuffing it to get the next coats to stick, and then we're gonna take care of the roof today and hopefully the hood. So, all right, guys, we watched some videos on YouTube, so we are now professionals. It's gonna look amazing. But don't try this at home unless you're YouTube certified. We had to wait a week to get more product in, so I called the manufacturer, asked him what we could do. He said scuff it up with the 360 pads, and then just, you know, he said blow it off. He says you don't even have to wipe it down with lacquer thinner. I am gonna wipe it down with lacquer thinner just because. And he said then you can just paint right over it. So we're gonna try that on both sides, and hopefully it works, because I don't want to repaint this again. Okay, we're gonna get this blown off, taped off, and paint it again. Let's do it right. I know this is fun to watch. It's probably like a train wreck again, but at least we're professional about it. Ready for tape. Here we go. And just like that, we're all taped up. We're gonna put some etch primer on these bare spots and get ready to paint. Here we go. All right, when I called the manufacturer, he gave me a video to watch to help with the blotchiness of the Raptor liner when you spray it. And that's why you see me doing these tight circles, is that eliminates the blotchiness of the paint. Stupid flies. They're like, oh, this is nice. All right, guys, this went way smoother than before. Let me show you what we got here. I think it's even brighter. I think we had a bad batch, actually. Not bad, we'll take it. Let's take a look at this hood.
I'm gonna miss this one. Huh? Did a lot of work to this guy.
Yeah, you did shape it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I still like it. We're gonna keep it.
What do you think of this orange?
Actually, looks pretty good. It is kind of funny though, because it has the texture of an actual orange. So.
Oh, well, maybe we should name it orange.
No, it's too late now.
Yeah, I know, it's coney, huh?
Yep. It'll really look a lot better once all the other stuff is on there.
Oh, I think so.
It's a lot of orange right now, but once all the black's on there, it'll look better.
Yeah. Right now it's like almost too orange. I don't know if I'm going to be embarrassed to dry this or not.
It'll look better when you have the beads on here.
Oh, look, the tape. We got to scrape that.
What do you mean?
Right there.
Wow. Yeah, once these are on, it'll look a lot better. And the bumpers, probably.
Yeah.
And the tires.
What's up, guys? Random Glass of Detail here. Hey, we got this truck all done yesterday, only to have it rain last night. There was no rain in the forecast, and it downpoured here in the desert. So hopefully this is okay. It hasn't been 72 hours since we got this thing painted, but It is what it is at this point. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, check out these others down below. Remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.